Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Te Nga Tai Tama Tāne or Kirikiriroa, Hamilton Boys High School. And they are taking on Manawatu's Te Kura Tuarua or Aorangi, Fielding High School. One of my favourites, Tawara Barlow. 35 minutes, semi-final matchup, and Kaiwawao Johnson gets us underway. It'll be Fielding going left to right in their blue jerseys with Hamilton in possession here inside their 22 with their black and maroon tops. And they'll feed the ball wide from their try line early, taken down there. The fly half, Kotahi Crib from Fielding working hard out there in the early stages. Good offload. Up to the 10-minute mark now, Kirikiriroa. Ball shoveled back, opportunity on the right side. If we get the pass away, this could be dangerous. Ranging down the edge, Ross Anderson. Tap and go from the back. Leg drive. And he's driven back away from the line as Roberts. Close again. Got to stay low here to defend that line, Fielding. Miller takes a stab at it. Oh, and a bit of space now. Found a gap for Luke Hills. Makine. No look pass. Mitch Swan, the number 9, he's the captain of Hamilton. And he's there quickly, isn't he, to deliver it. Looking for the corner. And he is in. Former Blues player, he's coaching Howick this year. Obviously not too bad at it. Fielding now. Some good possession and good territory. Up to the 22 mark. Strong run. There's a replacement. Whakava will carry it up. Defensive work from Hamilton is good. They'll get it back though, Fielding. They'll switch angles, trying to find some pace. Cuts back in, and it'll work. It'll work. Nixon Foreman for Fielding will dot over for the first try, and Monahan needed. Down the ground goes Johnston. Looking left, will go right, does Crib. And he finds the right man. Stepping off his right foot. Pene Javier. 5 metres out now from the try line. Kirikiriroa playing offside, an advantage to Fielding. Ducking himself as Kotahi Crib. Again, short. Kirikiriroa, desperate defence. And he's in! And he's in! Dane Johnston, he did it in the Hurricanes final. He's done it today. Ollie Gruen, the Kirikiriroa, shutting the door. Ball is on the deck now, comes back for Fielding. Fuller, and Fuller will go underneath. Up the middle, defensive ruck play, and it might be good. Oh, didn't release the tackler. It's a tap and go as well, not onside, so playing advantage here. Hamilton sniffing an opportunity. I'll come back for an infringement. Got all through Winter Sports Week. Penalty attempt is good. Prop rummaging it up. There's the captain, he'll feed it on. Wide pass, too high though. Just keeps it alive. One-handed pass. The number 8. Does he get it down? Does he get it down? And it's a knock on and goal. Captain Fakava with his attempt. Ball comes out and over. Held up over the line. Just under to Miniti, 10 minutes to go here in the second half. 1 point differential in the match. Oh, pass behind the back is good. Javier, chip and chase. He's tapped on the way through. Play on. Counter ruck from Hamilton is good. Box kick. Using the breeze. No one's back home. Chasing strong. Kirikiriroa. And it is a penalty. What a chase. To get them through to the championship match on Sunday. Scrums contested by Fielding. Hamilton have the ball now. Ball goes wide. Skips one. He's got some space. Comes down, does Cutter. Picked up a try today, did Cutter in the first half. Now coming to the right side. Offload is good. And just short of the line, the ball comes loose. But they'll come back for the advantage here for Hamilton. All the possession now inside Fielding's territory. And this one's regulation. They'll pick up another penalty, and that'll be the match. It is Hamilton that'll go through to Sunday's championship match on a gallant effort. It was a seesawing affair, but it was defense in the end that gets the victory.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.